MAGSOL present. MAGSOL caliper grease. Caliper guide pins. Caliper guide pins are two metal pins on each brake caliper where the brake piston assembly sits. Work of caliper guide pins. Caliper guide pins are responsible for guiding the proper angle for how the brake pad meets the rotor. The calipers containing a piston and two brake pads straddle the rotor when the brake pedal is applied. Pressurized brake fluid from the master cylinder actuates an internal piston to force the pads against a spinning rotor to slow the vehicle. As we know, brake is the most important part of our vehicle. We have to maintain it very well. Brakes generates tremendous amount of heat because they are essentially a piece of metal used to slow down another piece of metal moving at high speeds. To keep your brake in working condition, use MAGSOL caliper grease. Why proper care and lubrication of caliper guide pins is required. If we don't apply high temperature grease or the pins work improperly. Noises or problem in brake stopping. The brakes could slick or grab when you're driving. You could hear a grinding noise if calipers aren't meeting the rotor at the proper angle. Let's see how to use MAGSOL caliper grease. First, remove caliper pins. Then roughly clean the brake caliper guide pin and remove any excess grease or dirt left over. Coat the caliper pin with layer of MAGSOL lightened grease. Then apply MAGSOL caliper grease on it. After applying MAGSOL caliper grease, place caliper pins in their places. MAGSOL caliper grease benefits. Prevents disc brake squealing. Prevents long bolt and sleeve seizing and galling. Outperforms ordinary caliper grease and traditional disc brake quiet. Non-petroleum based formula. Environmentally safe. Happy and safe journey.